folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
What's good? What's good? How's everybody doing? We got Chi and Bowser. Hey, that's one of the mentees, man. Thanks, everybody, for pulling up to the stream. Quite the day, man, already. Yeah, New York Open, you had a big dump. Same thing with gold, big pump. Yeah, so quite straightforward setup. Why am I on the 5-minute? Because we have a low set on the Monday. Respected it. And we have a high from yesterday. And we just broke this, retraced. And now we just had a little reversal up. So let's just stay patient and see, man. Yes, sir. It's cold, man. I'm actually up in Canada, so Toronto. We actually have a cold day, man. Cold day in summertime. So right. Hey, man. Welcome to the stream, man. Chandra. Where gold going to close in the next half hour approximately? Oh, man. I don't know why you guys think you guys can really predict, but if it's going somewhere, it's going to these either here or here, man. You know, these are the 2 areas that are of interest right now. Kind of like a magnet, you know? Wow. Literally would have been the easiest, like, just literally, this would have been the easiest money you made in your whole life. Literally. Like, look at that. I'm not saying that you can predict this, but damn near. Let's say I go to the 5-minute, yeah? When you see something like this, price breaking the high, and then you have this small retracement, this indicating the direction, right? because we broke both of these. Now it's just retracing. The reason why I use this TVI is for the continuation divergence right here. Price on our side doing the same thing, crossed MBO. So price came above the level 50, explosion. Right? Yeah, I actually wasn't on the charts until 10 minutes ago, so I missed this trade personally. I will be shorting US 30 though. I will be selling. Yep, I'm gonna sell this. I will be shorting US 30 once this 15-minute candle closes or 9:30. I want to see price reach this level, right? But I'm obviously gonna get a lower time frame entry, maybe a break, pull back, stop above, right? But yeah, man, we can definitely see these shorts happening all the way. Something like that, man. That's what I will be looking for to do on US 30. Plus we got some good confirmation here. We have this divergence, you know. So let's just be patient, man. Patience. NASDAQ. We'll see what happens with NASDAQ, but personally, if this happens with US 30, easy. UJ. Personally, I wanted to buy UJ, but it's kind of giving me the ick. Basically, price breaks the high. Now we got that retracement back into the low. Now what would be nice is if price just, either breaks this low or continues by respecting the low. What else? EA, nothing. GJ was too simple, man. Literally ranging between these two highs. Like, look at this easy money, bro. This price ranged. False break / retrace. Slightly stop once the low. Took it out. But easy. Right? And it's continuing, man. I'd like to see GJ here soon. About 70 pips. Yeah, away. So when you get this crazy accumulation, just know that you have a chance to explode up, right? So, if we knew that, we'd be billionaires. Exactly. And which app is this? TradingView. Should I close my trade now? It was news unemployment claims. I'm looking at 1970. Look, bro, you can do whatever you want to do, man. Yeah, do whatever you want to do, man. No one's stopping you, right? But I wouldn't recommend just because you're on the stream and I say this, you change your whole mindset, right? You probably have something you want to, there's a reason why you took the trade, of course, right? If not, then maybe you need to rethink your approach, right? So yeah, let's just wait until these candles close, and then we'll get a better direction from here. Okay, yeah, it was news, man. It was news. Unemployment claims. Yeah, 8:30 we had unemployment claims. Right, so see this major divergence, man. Major continuation. And then price just pumped. Anyways, man, anything you guys want to ask before we get into the sauce, the real nitty gritty right now? EU, holy, pretty easy, man. EU, right, broke the high, came back, didn't break these lows, right? Respected these lows, so pretty straightforward stuff, man. The way we trade out here, man. Pretty straightforward stuff. And the mentees know, man. They know that this isn't. We don't have to keep it like rocket science. Yeah. So this, I wanna tell you guys something too. This is considered a range as well, right? So price has been trading within this range of 140 pips, but then the range got smaller, about 67 pips. But as long as they're respecting the range, you can trade it, bro. Look at this, you know. Boom, London session, boom, explosion, trade to sell, you know, above, take it out. You can even scalp this. That's how you can trade ranges. But I'm talking about ranges like this, though, where it's like 100 plus pips. Never trade one of these, though. Never trade one of these, man. That's literally recipe for disaster. You'll be lost. So yeah, the confidence and the abundance comes from waiting. Real opportunities. Right, so look, if price doesn't reach here, that's fine. Why? Because it could be respecting this break. Right? Never assume. But what you should do is always have a TP1, TP2, TP3 if you want to trade the explosive move, the continuation, or the reversal, right? So there's two types of trades essentially in the market. Yeah, so let's just, I kind of like what gold's looking like. Let's just wait and see. If gold wants to dump or pump, we'll wait. No. But yeah, I think the 8 o'clock trading sessions are better, man. Because they just happen right away. I don't have to be out here waiting with you guys for 2 hours, right? So when the volume hits US 30, 12 minutes, bro. Wait until this is what I would love to see, right? I'm not gonna say it's gonna happen, assume it, but that's what I would love to see. Because look, price broke out, indicated some seller momentum. We had a nice retracement back, failure to break the high, respecting the high here, and then came back again. So that's essentially what I would like to see. I'm planning my trade from now, man. But if it doesn't want to do that right away, I'm cool, man. I'm cool. I'm just chilling. That's one thing you guys gotta learn to do. Just relax. Take your time, man. This isn't a rush. You know, take your time. I promise you, this is the way you'll actually quit your job. You know, the only way you wanna kind of approach this market is with abundance. with faith that, yeah, man, it's possible. As long as you're patient, you're diligent, you put on the work, you will reach a level of success. Right. So I hope I didn't confuse anybody. Hope it's clear, cut, easy to understand for everybody right now. I'm gonna get some water. All right, back. So let's see. No, I'm waiting on US 30, bro, because my time criteria hasn't been fulfilled. That's another thing I want to emphasize, man. Time criteria. They don't really work with price too much. I've realized that. They focus on time, man. Look, 10, 10, 9, 10, 8:30. Now waiting for 10. It just happens over and over, bro. 10, 9:30, 8:30. So between this 3-hour window, man, we were just waiting, bro. You see how UJ just faked out? Well, here, this is the wick. I expect to be taken out, man. Yup, I expect this to be taken all the way out. Just like boom. Just like this. But it's just bad risk to reward. No trade, right? But I'm just showing you guys direction. So price, it's the same stuff. Price broke, indicated some bearish momentum, traced. All right, we'll just wait and see, man. If our thesis is correct. But yeah, it's about 9:23. We're gonna wait for our other trades. But I've realized, man, currencies are probably the easiest to trade right now. Also US 30. Look, man, you know what? I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna mark my range. And once price breaks it, that's the only time I'm gonna trade. Yeah, as you can see, man, gold doing its thing. You see how all of this pumping happened? That's a lot of pumps. And essentially, there's a lot of stop losses still above. Some way to go. Should we take this trade, man? There's about 6 minutes till the candle closes for the 30-minute and the 15. I'd rather be patient. See that? How process over profits? Yeah, man. Euro USD though was one of the nicest pairs I've seen so far, man. Because it's so simple, literally doing exactly what it is. Break, pull back, continue. Simple shit. And also, MBO broke the 50 here, and then you would have to validate this. How would you? Boom. Divergence, man. But yeah, if you guys want to learn that, man, definitely. If you guys want to learn the sauce, how it's done, how you can catch lows like this, and just understand the system of TDI with price action, man, you're gonna change the whole game to get to the next level, man. But yeah, man, if you guys don't want to do that, links right there. Yeah, shout out to Bowser, man, the new mentee. He actually started watching on YouTube, and we already had a few sessions, and he's already getting it down. That's how simple we make it. He's not, I think, and yeah, and plus he's working, so you don't need to be always on the charts, you know? You just need that specific time, and you're done. You're out. Right, all right. Yep. All right, let's just snipe this for today. Let's see what happens. All right. Get everything ready. Yeah, but real talk though, I kind of want to. I've been looking at these pairs with you guys. I want to just like get rid of a bunch of pairs, man. It's too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pairs. These 9 pairs. 9 pairs, bro. Delete some after. In fact, we'll just do it right now. You gone. Barely trade that anyways. Oil. Oil is actually one of my favorites though. Sheesh. It's the simplest shit. UJ. UJ is one of my favorites. So yeah, let's get rid of EU, man. EU, we don't need that. Okay, let's relax and see. All right, so looks like we're still in the range, man. No trading zone for me. Just watch in 2 minutes how the volume increases, man. It's gonna really want to explode. One direction for sure. All right. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's see, baby. Let's see who's gonna eat today. Realistically, I would love Price to just take these highs, man. If Price don't want to come here, I want to see Price take these highs and 34K. That's what I love to see, man. Just like this. You know why I'm starting to think this? Because price didn't break this low here. It respected it actually. You know? All right, so 9:30 candle open. Oh shit. Yeah, engulf. All right, all right. Who's taking this? Damn. All right, so once price does something like this, I'm gonna wait for a pullback. If it once price breaks the high. All right. Hey man, any questions, man? Any questions before we continue? Ooh, Nasdaq though. All right, so look, low of the day, break, pull back, 8 o'clock, break, tiny pullback, failure to follow through, and essentially, I would love to see some more pumps, man. But if they don't, and we want to go lower, that's fine too, man. But it wouldn't make sense, right? Now let's see the TDI. Validation, what's the validation? Yeah, it works. Price respected to 50, we got the convergence. Perfect, perfect. We're gonna see and wait. Now you see that, look at that. Price right at the open, got a bunch of people, enticed them. Look at that, 70 pips. Oh boy. Now you see, this is why we don't trade the range, bro. Because this is what they do within the range. Like they just slap both people on both sides, you know? So and gold continuing, man. Nice. But to me, I don't want to be trading these types of setups, man, personally. I don't like these setups where the risk to reward is too low for me. You know what I mean? Yeah, not good enough for me. So you also have to be picky like that, you know? Just say, risk to reward is not good enough for me. Forget it. You know what I mean? And that comes from the mindset where it's like, nah, bro, I'm just not gonna try to make money. You gotta think of it as quality first, and then the money's just gonna fall in your lap, bro, or whatever it is, right? So, could this be some divergence today? Continuation. All right, so price just crossed the 50 and the MBL. So let's validate this. 15-minute, let's go down to the validation chart. Sheesh. $46 pip stop. All right, so price is about to break the high. And essentially, we want to target these. All right. For some reason, though, I don't trust this. Because left a wick. And Nasdaq's doing that. When they do shit like that, just look at this, right? When I was saying gold, rest of the word is garbage there. So nada. All right. Let's see. Thank you. Freaky Josh. The Enlightens. That's a funny name, bro. That's a interesting, man, that you showing up to the stream. Right, do you literally see what price is doing? Okay. Could this be, baby? All right, so price, broke structure. Wait, how many tests we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 tests. Low of the day, man. Low of the day. Yeah, that's if price wants to respect this. But I personally think they would. Let's just wait, man. Let's just wait. I want to get the perfect entry, man. Perfect entry. And I know we can. Yeah, gold just wants to fly. All right, so the gold, once price sweeps these highs, I'd call it a day if you're still in buys. But long term, TP there, here, right? So yeah, you can have TPs here as well. But I'd take most of my profits here, right? All right, so I wanna wait for a break and close above this range. Couple of rejections and then up. Another day in the work, man. Day in the life. Jeez, man. Okay. Here's what we'll do. All right. Essentially, no follow through. No follow through just yet. So sitting on our hands, man, so far. But yeah, gold decided to actually, right, do the similar stuff, right? Look, you had that range, boom, break. All these stop losses, SL, 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 trailing stop losses, stop loss. They're coming back, you know. So that's one of the actual reasons why they do this type of stuff, you know. And they don't break this because their orders are still intact, right? All right, so we're kind of waiting for this to do something. I'm actually gonna start a stream on Telegram soon, so let me just set that up in the meantime. I'm gonna set that up in the meantime while we wait for that setup. Jeez, man, why is it doing that, bro? Boom. Yeah. All right, I'll just mute these guys again. Um, but yeah, basically, look, man. Yeah, your comments and patience is spreading to me, man. For sure, bro. That's the way. That's the only way. But I don't know. Is the thing frozen? You guys asked me like price. To me though, all right, the low's been set. We're respecting these lows so far, so let's just wait and let price do what it has to do. So far, gold just ran through the targets, so essentially we wanted to get in here and end up going up. So yeah, I want to be patient though as much as possible. A lot of the times people just want to hop in and make money, but that's not how it's done. Yeah, so Cam, Trading Nut, Cam and I have been working together closely, and I want to share my streams from my YouTube onto here, onto Telegram. So yeah, man, we're literally about to take some trades. Gold, so clean, so clean. So you see how price is actually reacting to this level? I'm guarantee you, man, those so-called, what do you guys always like call them out on my stream. What did they trade again? I don't know, like ICT, SMC, right? Those types of smart money guys, right? They're gonna see this as an order block and try to sell it, right? They could do it, man, or supply and demand, but it's not always valid, bro. That's one thing I realized. A lot of these guys, the cult followers, right? So now you see how the high of the day is still intact. That's the high of the day. They respected it during London. So we want to see it either break low to take out all of these lows, right? And really balance the books. All right. Perfect. So it left a wick. Now this is a good sign, guys. When it leaves a wick, it's usually a false rejection for the day. And this is good because we had a big close, the bullish close. And yeah, we should see a parabolic trade soon. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait to get the best risk to reward ratio, man. Yeah. You see that? How price just came back there. And this is why you don't trade the range, right? Because it's choppy, back and forth action. You know what I mean? So, and even USD Canadian. We had a low here, but look at this wick, crazy wick. Could you trust it? Probably not, man. So yeah, let's just stick to the indices for now because we still have some time and some room to go. Jeez, man. All right, so I'm doing a stream. This thing's frozen on StreamYard. So you know what, man? I'm gonna post the link. Anybody want to come to the YouTube you guys can do that right now. I'll send the link to the Telegram right about now. I'll pin it. Until then, all right, peace and love. All right, so I'm gonna send you guys the Can you guys see now, man? I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. It's been a disaster because of it. All right, you guys can see it now, man. Yeah, I was trying to do the Telegram stream, but I can just pin it here. Wait, what'd you say? Still don't see the chart. Shit, man, what the heck? All right. I'm gonna restart this thing. Do it again. Let me do this again. Eesh. Bro. All right, so I know you guys can hear me. I know you guys can hear me. I know you guys can hear me, man. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Here, let me restart this. Man. I know, bro. Trust me. It's kind of frustrating. It's just because me and Cam wanted to try the stream through Telegram, and this time around it didn't want to work. So, yeah. So, my bad, everybody. I know you guys wanted. You guys were ready. Yeah, let me try to restart this, man. Still? Oh boy. Still, eh? Still no sharing. All right, so here's what I'll do. You know what? Okay, so now I know what happened. Essentially, the browser. So when StreamYard doesn't want to allow me to do the live session, so I'm gonna just cut this off right now, and then try again. All right, guys. All right, back again. All right, this is the last time I'm gonna try this. Oh my, holy bro. It's the last time I'm gonna try this. If it doesn't work, then I'll actually have to do something different now. All right, let me see this StreamYard. Share screen. There we go. We back. Shit, that was annoying. Sheesh, that was annoying. Anybody have any issues with the thing? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see the charts? Fine now. Perfect, man. Perfect. Yeah, it's just I had to restart everything quickly. You know, we back, and we ready. Okay, so 10 o'clock. We just had the candle close for the hourly. Yeah, I still see that rejection happening. So essentially, I would love to go long here. Yep, that's where I would take my position. And I would like to target these highs. All right, so yeah, with this though, I'm gonna take the position. I'm gonna stop below here. Yeah, that's where I would take my position. Holy though, man. Patience is key. 30 more minutes, man, until we hit our time criteria. On you see that? You see how GJ just did this? Retracement. Oh. All right, guys, I'm gonna take this trade. Let's just see where it goes, you know. Let's see where Nasdaq goes. What's the SL? SL is that's too big of a stop. That's too big of a stop. I want to see a retest. I want to see a retest at this level. Not stop below right there. I want to see a retest. Yeah, right there. You see how it's messing around? This is actually amazing. When I see this, it makes me happy because I know then that we are ready, man. We are ready to move. Any more pairs? Nah. All right, so these are the only two that we're gonna focus on again. If we do early streams, then we could see some other charts. All right, let's take the buys on Nasdaq. I want to see a test though. I want to see a test down here because we're seeing continuation straight up, just like that. Straight up, above the 50, being respected, MPL. All right. Yep. Price moving, baby. So even if you took the position here, man, yeah, I would just put my stop here now, below. So we'll just wait for a little retest. Yeah, essentially this would where I would put my stop loss. Just want to see a little bit of a pullback, right? And then make it so. You see how I'm adjusting it to get the best RR. Price broke the high. Now I want to see that pullback, man. So I am literally adjusting my position, where my entry is every single time, so I can get the best risk to reward ratio, man. You know, boy, if we knew, man, gold was gonna do something like this, 10 lots deep. It would have been 10 lots deep on that. We knew it, but again, risk to reward is everything, guys. You want to make sure it's high. All right, so this is where the patience kicks in again, where we're now gonna have this type of vibe and really let price take over. Because look at this, US 30, man. It's being a dirty 30, you know? Where price is rejecting so hard. It just keeps rejecting, right? That would have been ideal for me. Yeah. All right, guys. Anybody take it yet? Oh, you guys took it. Yeah, so you look at this. Another thing. UJ just broke this low. It took it out. We have wicks. It could take these out, man. Amazing, amazing. Just a theory, man. Just a theory. All right, all right. Do you feel gold going to drop? Personally, it's too bullish. If you look at the H4, look at that. This to me is just a retracement, bro. Look at the H4. You know what I'm saying? Failed to break through, broke structure, came back, did the same shit. Broke structure, came back. You know? It's too bullish, man. It's bullish. And anybody who says otherwise, man, I feel bad, bro. It's gonna take you guys some time to understand these things, right? Not everything is a reversal. Not everything is a, you know what I'm saying? Just look at this. Even if US 30 wants to take a shit right now, I don't care. I don't care. Like, literally. I'm literally being patient right now. Like, the time criteria is fulfilled. We could just, instead of trying to resist the market and keep selling, why not just go with the flow, man? With the market. You know what I'm saying? That's basically my mindset behind. Yeah, so look how the way this previous candle closed, right? I think we'll focus on NASDAQ today because we have a pretty nice entry. All right, so we're about 10 pips away, 10, 15 pips. So what's your view on GJ? Like, man, I'm trying to see buys up to these levels, bro. 174.95 minimum, and then we have all this other space to a key level, which will take maybe a week or so, week or two, right? So I'm still bullish, man. I'm bullish on GJ. You know? Alright, guys. So, yeah, let me just get back to this right now. The lens we go to, man, to get the best entry. Oh, man. Alright, so look, I'll actually explain. In the meantime, I'll explain why gold is buying. I just showed you guys the higher time frames, but we on the lower time frame we have the low of the week, high of the week. Low of the week failed to break. It got respected. Then price broke structure, retraced, broke structure, retraced, continued, explosion, low of the day, right here. Retested the low of the day. And now they're going to the high of the week. And we could possibly go to the high of the previous week. Right? So just keep it in mind, guys. Keep that in mind always. Whenever you're trading, always keep that in mind. What's the name of the indicators and settings? Yo, this is TDI. I don't recommend you use TDI if you don't know what you're doing, man. I just have it here for myself. But I will be explaining to any of my students, so with my students, with the mentorship, I always show them price action first, how the market actually works, trends, best entries, sessions, all that price action basically. Then TDI comes second, which is just to confirm sentiment, all right, and get that sniper. All right, guys. So look, 1 minute until this closes, and price is in profit, man. It's moving. Price is moving. Yes, sir. All right. US 30 just broke. Where do you think we're going, guys? We're going to the previous highs. All right, guys. So, yep. All right, that's that. So who's in the trade? Nasdaq. Hope you guys took the setup. I'm gonna target previous highs. All right. So that's that. Yeah, even with US 30. Yeah, we're gonna target these previous highs, 33,858. But I didn't take this because I just think Nasdaq's the cleaner one today. But if you are gonna take a position, wait for a retracement. You know, like here, a little pullback, retest, put it below somewhere, right below the lows. And yeah, man, Nasdaq has been moving smooth so far. Going up, going up. And if it doesn't want to go in your favor, guys, you guys can say, look, all right, this time you were wrong. No problem. What are you gonna do? You're gonna adjust. Say, okay, no problem. All right. Could we be wrong? Nah. Let's just wait and see. They always do this, man. They always do this. It's crazy. I would have loved to see the sales, but I do see these highs getting taken. All right, so let's just wait and relax until price goes our way. All right, guys, any questions, man? Any comments? If you guys want to get into it, we can do it. Any questions, any comments? Sheesh. Hey, man. GU, guys. GU's clean. So, oh, man. The markets do the same thing, man. Over and over again. There's nothing new. Literally, just does the same thing over and over. All right, guys, get ready. Incoming, guys. Profit incoming. Incoming, guys. Incoming. Just watch this explosion. Where are you guys? All right, guys. Any questions, any comments, man? Any concerns before we proceed, man? Before we proceed with this trade, man? Because I like this. I really like this. Anything? Please, guys, don't be shy, man. Don't be shy because I'm here once a week. You guys know this, and I want to get as much questions out the way so no one's confused. Boy, this I think I want to put GBP/USD on my watch list again because man, this thing is so clean, so clean. Literally, I've never seen it this clean, man, in a while. It just does the same shit. Parabolic trades. Beautiful, beautiful. Taking out these highs. All right, 5 minutes until we see something. All right, guys. Yeah. So let's just wait until this trade plays out, and we will definitely rock it, man. Boom. As we speak. There you go, man. Just watch. Just watch this volume kick in and explode. We're looking at a 1 to 6.4 on the setup. So get ready, man. Get ready. Oh, gee. Look at gold almost at the TP. All right. We didn't take this trade, but you know, it's always nice to be right. All right. So just broke the high. Should we take US 30? Just to add on to the profits. Maybe. All right. Look, man, no assumption, but geez, they definitely want to mess around for a little bit. Because look at this, right? If they broke this low, then I would not be looking for any buys, guys. I mean, yeah. But they didn't break the low. I would like to see it come back here, man. All right, 2 minutes until price starts to move a bit. Okay. All right. I've just gone short. You went short, Fred. Oh boy. Look, man, you can go short if you want to. Sure, man. You can go short if you want to, but bro, I do not recommend it, man. I do not recommend that. Because, bro, this is going to explode. I'm telling you, bro. I'm literally telling you right now. It's going to explode. We have a high. We have a low. Price is respecting this low, man. Even here. Low of the day, respected. Low of the day, respected. Where do you think we're going next? Where's the stop losses at? Right here, right here, right here. Right? And if they are going to go short, you got to see that sweep first. No? These people get smacked in the face, and then you want to go short, right? So, hey, man, your account, do what you want, right? Do what you want. It's your life, your account. So, how do I know that? I literally just told you. Right? All right, so Fred, here's a little crash course for you, bro. See how price broke structure? Retracements? And now it's doing this? You know? And look. Ooh, boom. Look at that. Explosion. Look at that. It's 30, baby. Yeah, NASDAQ is looking good for buys. You should be in profit by now. We're in about 40 pips. 40 pips profit. Yeah, 37. I'm focused on the chart, bro. So, in my strategy. And that's showing me all that, you know? So just be patient and allow the market to give you the profits. There's a sweep on the lower time frame. Where? Where's the sweep? I don't see no sweep. This isn't a sweep, bro. Does this look like a sweep? It's not a sweep. Nor is this a sweep. This isn't a sweep. And that's one mistake you're making. You're making a mistake, bro, by trading the... You're making a mistake by trading the lower time frames, bro. I promise you that. You know? Okay, let me just remove everything. So, are you talking about US 30 or NASDAQ? Not sure what you're talking about, but let's just focus, man. Let's focus. Uh, 5-minute time frame. Yo, 5-minute time frame. Where's the sweep, man? I want to see it. If this, nah, there's no sweep, bro. Where's the sweep? This is still in. Look, bro, this wasn't a sweep. You know, they respected it. But at the end of the day, the market maker can respect false moves sometimes to keep you coming back, right? But guys, look, man, the low is intact, low is intact, low is intact, low is intact. So let's wait, man. Let's wait and see. If I'm wrong, cool. If you're wrong, cool. There's nothing wrong with being wrong in trading. And that's one thing you guys got to stop thinking with the ego, right? The ego likes to be a child and thinks like a 5-year-old kid, right? They want to be right. Even if they don't know the answer, they 1920 BST. What's BST? I don't even know what BST is, bro. Let me see. Oh, you're in the UK, bro. Let's see. What? UK, man. Wait. GMT +1? All right. Yeah. All right, no problem, bro. Look, bro, man, you try to challenge the boys. Come on. All right, let's go. 19. Wait. What time did you say? 1810, 1920, Wednesday, yesterday. Bro, 5 minute time frame? Bro, what is you? 1810 to 1920? No comment, bro. Sorry, bro. Fred, I know you try to do these debates and try to prove somebody wrong, but bro, I'm sorry, but that's not right, bro. It's definitely that's not a sweep, bro. It's not a sweep. Like I don't wanna be rude or mean, but I just want you to stop assuming. Don't assume, bro. There's nothing wrong with saying, all right, maybe I'm wrong, right? I'm on your time, and this is not it, bro. Okay? As far as I know, all right? If you have your own approach, that's cool, right? Those are highs, though. Those aren't highs, bro. Like, you know what highs means? This is the high. That's the high, not this. This is a lower high that literally just got taken out right here, right? The same one got taken out. So we'll see, man. We'll see. If they respect it, cool. If not, it's cool as well, bro. There's nothing wrong with being wrong. All right, whatever. Owen, how can we learn strategy? Here, bro. Just check me out right here. Okay. I'll even put the link. I'll put the link. it might create a small reaction. Sure, bro. Look, if you have your own strategy, bro, cool, man. There's nothing wrong with that. That's all I want to say, bro. Just stick to it if that's what you're confident with, right? So, all right, yeah. If you want to reach me, you can just click this link, right there. Yeah. Morning bliss. Can we still go in? Real talk, you can. You know, because they just broke a high, right? Even with US 30. And if they want to respect this, though, it's fine. You know, for shorts, I mean, no, for longs, right? Because we just broke the structure, then the retest, even here, right? They're just these tiny highs that they tend to retest, right? So we just got to retest there. That's why I have a bunch of lines, right? So yeah, but as far as I know, man, the TDI is saying bullish, straight up. The bands are big, above 50. Our side crossed the MBL. Let's see if we got the validation. Absolutely. Absolutely. Respect the 50. Right there, man. So, GJ. Man, USD, GBP USD though. I'm just so that's amazing, man. That's actually amazing. Because we have this accumulation, distribution, accumulation, distribution, accumulation, distribution, accumulation, distribution for 4 days, man. Consistently in one direction. And why do you think they do this? Because people who buy high get taken out, then they go continue. Right? So how do we trade like you? I literally put the link right there in the comments. So check me out on that. The mentorship is there on Patreon. If not, I can also give you the link to that. It's literally everything you need to know. All right, to trade. So yeah. Let me put on my Patreon as well. For mentorship. Mentorship. That's what you guys can do. Yeah, so as you guys can see, yeah. So Fred, there's nothing wrong with being wrong, but bro, I just want you to focus on learning, right? Uh, I've been doing this for a long time. I know I've seen this plenty of times, man, and it's fine, right? But I just want you to be open because look, man, I know so many people, man, that try to just they want to be right. So what happens is they keep with their bias, and then the bias might be wrong, and then they get taken out, and then they get mad at the market and then the mentor. You know what I mean? So yeah. So man, cool, bro. All right, guys. If you guys want to reach me, man, here's the link. Everything's right there when it comes to education. I promise you, man, you're gonna change your life. Change y'all's lives, bro. Brian, what I like about your study is we just swept yesterday's highs. We like to see a setup for a low, but lower probability as trading against a higher time. I'm telling you, yeah, bro. Look, man, don't try to trade against the trend, bro. This is just a retest. In fact, I might take a position for a retest, man, and I'll let it fly. You see that? How price just engulfed that shit? I'm saying so. And I know where you guys got this terminologies from. It's all this smart money stuff, ICT stuff that you guys keep commenting on. And bro, I want to be honest with you, it doesn't work all the time, bro. They do that to keep you, suave. Ghost, what's good, bro? What's good? I know it's summertime, but man, it's cold in Toronto today. I'm in the hoodie, no heat on, because we don't need the heat, but it's still relatively cold compared to the last. Yeah, it's about 15 degrees, which is like AC, the lowest temperature on an AC. So, peace, love, man. Peace, love. Stay patient, stay abundant. Cold here in Dublin as well. Yeah, man, 13 degrees, bro. There's something about our countries, man, that just cold, bro. Thoughts on Prosperity Academy? I don't know, man. Bugging out. Thoughts on Prosperity? I have my own academy. I literally just posted the link in the Patreon. I teach you guys the exact method on how I trade, and yeah, we're already up about almost, yeah. So the trade is about 6.4 RR, which is pretty blessed. Man, I teach you everything, bro. Literally, how I got funded. I was able to pass the Fiddlecrest challenges on live in front of you guys. I think last 2 months, right? Even my mentees are in the chat today. So shout out to my mentees, man. Thank you guys for pulling up. And yeah, rocking the show. What are we looking at here? Man, I really like GU though. GU, I'm gonna tell you something about GU. If I'm gonna bet on one pair other than US 30 and Nasdaq, GU is it. Like, just look at how clean the structure is. It's so predictable. Like, if I go on the 15 right now, you see the Asia ranges? Range, break, continue. Range, break, retrace. Right? This was a continuation setup. So reversal setup, reversal setup, reversal, continuation, reversal, continuation. Yep. And look, macro. Look at it, macro as well. Boom. Right? Failed to follow through, respected it, continues. So in US 30, man, US 30, I had actually one of my biggest days or weeks. I think it was 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I had my biggest day, week actually, here. I caught this low, the absolute low, and caught about 850 pips to the high. And I closed exactly at the high. How do I know? Price failed to reach. See that? Broke back below. And TDI was saying divergence. See? TDI was saying divergence for reversal. Closed my trade. Didn't want to sell though, because essentially I knew that this was just a retracement, man. See this? I'll completely change the way you look at charts. That's my guarantee. Whoever joins me, joins my team, I promise you, you're going to change your whole life. How long have I been trading, man? It's about my 5th year. Yeah, 5 years. But actually, profitable about 3 since COVID. And yeah, man, a lot of the students that joined, the Patreon, you know, when they actually go live, they end up making their money back, man, within a couple of trades, if anything. How often do I do live stream? I do it weekly, but I do it with sometimes I do it with my students. One of the days I'm trading, when I see good setups, I end up doing it there. Karen K, how to join? Here is my Patreon, man. You can just get on there. It's a subscription, so I made it easier on you, but I show you everything, literally. You know, you can be there as long as you need, man. Okay. Look at gold. See, TP. GU. Yeah, let me see what you were saying about GU. So we trade together on Patreon. No, that depends on what you choose, right? I will redirect you to my telegrams at their private telegrams. So then we do Zoom calls, mentorship calls. We do the weekly analysis so you guys know what you're looking for. Karen Kirk, GU looks like going for last week's highs. Yeah, man, right there. It literally just took it out. Not yet, just by a pip. 1 pip away. You see that? Crazy. But yeah, like everybody thought they were onto something selling this. And then next thing you know, price is already back at their entry. Or they'll be like, oh, order block. Oh shit, order block. Let me sell. You know? Like, even here, man, I know for a fact you guys thought this was an order block. Let me try to sell. Oh, order block. You see? Like, this is why smart money doesn't work, man. It doesn't work. Oh, OB, 50. Oh shit, let me sell. Boom, take him out. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like, I'm not trying to bash anyone, but damn, this whole code, man. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Hope doing a live stream with the team. Join us every week on YouTube, on Trading Net channel, and you got the Patreon. Right. Yeah, Mark, we do trade together on Patreon, bro. So literally what we're doing right now, I'm giving you guys a free sneak peek, but this is just one pair we smashed. Like, we smashed pairs, bro. Like, you see the GU? Last week, we smashed GU for about, how many pips did we take? So yeah, so this was the analysis on the GU last week. We saw price break the high, retrace on the Wednesday, break structure, stop loss below, right above that, below that low. TDI confirmation on the 5. Let's see. Yep. Okay. For an overbuy. And yeah, what I did was I told everyone to target this previous high right here. Right, so here, TP1, TP2, TP3, last TP, but it did take out last TP that ended up dumping, right? So these are all the take profits because we got that indication, retracement, continuation, and then yeah, continue to move up. And take this in. All the lows still intact. All the lows still intact. You see that? This is how you know when you're in the right direction, guys. You see? Keep that in mind, Bubby. All right. Okay. What's new? What's new? Any questions, man? Any other questions about the mentorship? You guys can join. I just started the Patreon because of Cam. I used to do it just through like PayPal and Telegram, but I just got annoyed of the DMs. It's too many, like too many. I couldn't keep up with the DMs. I'm grateful for sure. I'm really grateful for all that, but you know, comes a time where you gotta just chill, bro. Mm. Pin this. All right, guys. So, any questions, man? Any comments? Any concerns? We're gonna let this joint ride. I'm gonna move my stop to break even once we break this high. So yeah, TP1. You could keep this TP1 right here. Okay. TP2. Then we'll have an open TP. How's that? Do you focus on specific pairs? Yes, absolutely. You guys can see my list here. Okay, that's my list. I didn't take US 30 because it was just doing too much. I just really sized up nice on NASDAQ. What else? What else? What else? No. So which days do I go live? Literally every time I trade, let's say I don't know exactly, but usually Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because those are the best setups. All right. TDI settings, the 14 on the RSI. That's the only thing I changed. Okay. Karen Kirk, with your mentorship, you have videos libraries as well that goes over price action approach at TDI or what involved that is separate from. Okay, so with my mentorship, I do one-on-one calls with you every single week, and I give you like accelerated. So it's about 2 hours. It's all in depth. So it's a lot of info, but I lay it out to a point where you can just absorb it for the next week. I give you assignments. I give you homework for application. So I make sure that you're ready and really just train you, man. Train your eye, mindset. It's not just, okay, technicals. I share everything from my diet, from my fitness, mindset, prayer, meditation. And then the other half is obviously the technicals. I talk about TDI. First, I teach you price action, market structure, risk management, little tips and tricks to really determine where the market is going next. And the TDI is just the confirmation to make you a sniper, right? So yeah, that is definitely separate from my live calls. Mentorship is one-on-one with my students, and we get you from zero to hero for as long as you need, you know. So that should answer your question, Karen. Yeah. Uriel Thompson, what platform is this? This is TradingView. Okay. This is TradingView. Yeah, so Mark, to build confidence, I'm there, man. I'm there to give you that vibe, to give you that mindset training, right? Because a lot of the times, see, look at this. I just got me a nice mango smoothie. It's about mango, banana, some sea moss, you know? What type of personality of trader are you? Man, I can be different things. I just trade the highs and lows of the day, bro. That's it. Highs and lows of the week. All I know is when it comes to trading, there's no specific personality type. I'd say I'm more of a intraday swing. So low of the week, high of the week, low of the day, high of the day. I don't swing too long because then I just don't feel as it does, you know? Yeah, it doesn't serve me. You know, I'd rather go do some fun stuff. of my life. But yeah, that's basically it, man. When it comes to my personality, I don't like to scalp because scalpers tend to lose a lot. The ones that are trading lower time frames. Thank you, brother. Real good smoothie, bro. Alaka. Charger laga. You, you know the other charger? Uh, yeah. Aga karna kidayo. Warsare. Yeah. Fred, who might you be talking about? I'm talking about the guys who trade 1 minute charts, 5 second charts. You know, banks don't care about your 1 minute, 5 minute. 5 second. No, I'm serious. I'm not joking with you, bro. I'm dead serious. How do you perform top-down analysis? Your lower and higher time frame. All right, let's do it. I like it. All right, let's go to GJ, for example. I already showed you his 30. Okay, look. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly highs. Weekly breaks. Okay, those are magnets, price magnets. Okay, level low. Okay, go to daily. That'll be the daily low here. And then we'll go down to stage 4. What do we see here? We have a low here, more recent here. Okay, we're bullish, yeah? You agree? I'm sure you do. What did price do? Break, retrace, continue. Okay, price broke, hovered around here, exploded. Okay, break, retrace, continue, took at the high. Took at the high, retraced, failed to break, respected it, and up. So essentially, we're still bullish. And these are levels that I would love to see get taken out. Where? Let's go to the H4 again. Let's go back. Oh no, daily. Let's go daily. Let's go back. Boom. Swing point. See that? And we're about 70 pips away from this. So you best believe that whatever space is in between might get filled, right? If we're still bullish. And I see so. Okay. Serious question though, how did you know the lows wouldn't be swept before the highs? On NAS? I think you're referring to NASDAQ. Now look at NASDAQ. If I was to keep a TP open, Look, where am I targeting? 15K. All right, so you know why I didn't want to trade so what did Fred say? Look, bro, if they respect the low, جزاك bro. زبردست. توصل شيء. ده ولا خا. ده ده ولا بس bro. That's answered no yes, bro. I think this was for your laptop, fam. I mean, I think that was for your laptop. That? Yeah. Yeah. I got tip there. Right? Yeah, you talk about respecting the lows, but the highs are technically as well because they haven't been broken. But look, oh boy, I like these questions, but I feel like you're just complicating it, right? So look, why would you want to sell when this was the price indicating bullish momentum? This was the retracement, and it's the continuation. Where do you think our targets will be? Previous highs. Do you get it now? We're trading from lows to highs if we're bullish. And if we're bearish, we're trading from highs to lows. But notice another thing. Notice how there's this sort of correlation. I don't want to say complete correlation, but look. There's some pairs that are bearish, some pairs that are ranging, and some pairs that are bullish. Right? Look at yen. Let me tell you something. Price broke, indicated that this is the new low in the market. It had the retracement. Look at how it respected it. Even these broke a low, indicating bearish retracement. Continue here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Yes, I understand, but lows like that do often get taken out and then the bullish moves happen. Exactly. That's it. We want to trade to the low. And once the low is taken, we just react. If we see, okay, price is being respected, we swept it, and then they're not going lower, okay. And then, okay, this would be an example of something like this, okay? Okay, let's say price ranged, came low, boom, swept this, came, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? It could do that. Or price could just go do this. Right? And this is why you want to be careful by trading against the momentum. All right? Sheesh. On NASDAQ? Sure, bro. But where did they take out the low? I don't see them taking out a low. I don't see one low being taken out. This is 8 o'clock. Oh, shit. I'm still on London time, bro. Let me get back to it. Yeah. Okay. See the low? Respected. Low. They tried to sell. Look at this. Did they not try to sell? They definitely tried to sell. Failed. Broke. Retrace. Broke. Retrace. And this is where we took the entry. Okay. Shit, I made it too messy. All right. So yeah, and there are times where you might have a losing streak, man. But that's where you want to be. We have lows on us, and I know shorting to these lows and I get it because but the fact that they haven't been taken out is indicator that could act like a magnet to price come down to first. Yeah, but you would be trading against the trend, right? I like these discussions, man. I like the interaction. It's good. What's my win rate? Bro, I don't even know, bro. I don't care. I don't care about win rate. I could lose. I could win so many times and I could lose so many times. Risk management, bro. But I'll tell you this, I don't lose too often, bro. I did have a losing streak of the day last week. You know what I'm saying? I did have a losing streak, man. Because it was just a lot of this, right? A lot of this. See this? Look at this. Look at this. I've had losing streaks, but see, look at this range. I've had losing streaks, but what is it to mitigate that, manage my risk? This is why I only focus on high RR trades. Because look, the last 7 trades, we back. You know what I mean? 6.4 trades. Look at US 30, man. They're literally getting the smart money traders in. All those smart money guys. Oh, order block. Oh, wait. Where's the other order block? Oh, yeah. Ooh, wee. Get all excited. Price taps in. Comes back. I'm telling you, this is why price does this. Because of these order block traders. Oh, order block. Respect. Oh, no, taking out. Oh, order block. Respect, taking out. Oh, order block. Respect. No, taking out. You know what I'm saying? I don't. Sheesh, bro. It's crazy. All right. So, what's next? Yeah, what's next? On TDI, what's your RSI? It's 14. Yes, but my point is the trade longer is higher probability once the lows are swept as compared to taking a long now without them being swept. Oh my God, bro. My friend, price doesn't have to always sweep. Remember that, bro. A sweep indicates reversal. Okay? This is continuation. It's not reversal. Even TDI is saying continuation. See? They're doing the same thing. A reversal is when TDI is, let's say price is down and TDI is up. That's reversal. This is continuation, bro. That's why I use it. Okay? But my friend, man, you're a very persistent person, man. I see you. Let's take this for example. Let's see where price swept. I don't know, man. Doesn't have to always sweep, bro. But if they do, that's still a trade, though. You know what I'm saying? Where is the sweep? Let's see what you're talking about. Okay, boom. Look at this. Price swept, yeah? TDI, divergence. Okay? So, and that reversal didn't go too far. It didn't take out the lows. It actually came back to their entry and stop loss. So, all right. This is why markets do what they do, bro. There's the smart money, and then there's the dumb smart money. What? What do you mean, timeout? I don't know what you're talking about, brother. Can you tell? Yes, I realize, but the probability is higher. It's better if the major lows are set first. Bro, look. It's definitely a type of setup, but it's not necessary. Okay. You're a pretty interesting individual, man. I'll give you that. Exactly. Shout out to Bowser, bro. This is my mentee. He knows. He knows. Just because they got a lot of money doesn't make them smart money. And that's a fact. Hedge funds got a lot of money, but they could be dumb money for sure. And retail traders like us, we got a lot of money, but the money's within the mind. Money's not physical. I'll tell you that for sure. Because this is what attracts the money. And money don't make you valuable. I'll tell you that for sure. Because you can have a lot of money and still be a shitty person. You know? More. Yeah. Bro, Fred, nothing's better or worse. I'm just saying, bro. You guys gotta stop with this, bro. Like, this is a sweep of the high. Agree or disagree? Look, TDI tells me it sells before this even happens. I don't have to guess. All right. Look, price going up, squeeze, price break structure, retrace, boom. How many tests did we get? Let's see. One test, two test, three test, fourth test, entry. Right at the top. But it's against the trend. That's why they did the sweep. But did they sweep here? No, because their positions are intact. They're not going to stop themselves out. If the institutions are trading this, they're not stopping themselves out. They're stopping out the retail that got in with them last week, respecting the high low the previous week. Money is the byproduct of our skill, facts. It just comes. And that's why I stopped caring about it so much. And you know what's funny? When I stopped caring about it so much, it came to me more. I told myself, man, back in the day, I was like, look, man. I looked myself in the mirror. I was like, look, you got to have a passion for this if you want to do this. Skill is everything. It's facts. Like, I'm not going to give my car to some... I'm going to give my car to service by a professional. If he knows what he's doing, he's going to work on my car. Like I said, it doesn't matter, bro. It's not on you, it's in you. Desabaleste. Right? Maybe focus on other things, man. Focus on getting better at it. And then focus on your ability to manifest, you know? Focus on your diet, focus on your brain, focus on your sleep, focus on your health, focus on your relationships, you know, improve them. Allow blessings to come to you and happen for you. That's another thing, man. You gotta allow things to come, not resist. Allow it to come to you and happen for you. Do you get it? And you know what I love about risk management? Is it does exactly that. Play the long-term game. Money comes. All right, so let me see, man. I'll stick around for the next 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Because I gotta head out. I got shit to do, bro. I got stuff to do. All right. What does the TDI indicator do exactly? The TDI indicator is the Trader's Dynamic Index, meaning it is exactly this. It's literally the chart, okay? I could read the charts from here too. Okay, look, watch. Below, we have a high. Price gave us divergence, and most likely the price chart gave us this. Okay, what did price do? Break above the lower volatility band, cross the market baseline, meaning we're bullish, and then take your buys all the way, and then once you see price respecting the higher volatility band, I'm saying price break structure, you could close your position or take another one here. Like it's just an amazing tool, right? It tells you exactly where to get in, when to get out, based on volatility and trend, right? Because this is bearish, this is bullish, bearish, bullish, and we got in right here. I took my position right here. at this retest. So once I saw price cross MBL, 8 o'clock, I waited, 50 got respected, break, pullback, continue. Okay? I could read the charts without reading the actual price candles, right? And yeah, as you see, we're still bullish, man. So yeah, any questions, man? Any questions? I like your interpolation. Thank you. What's your setting? 14 RSI. If you go to the TDI, you know, RSI is 14. I just made everything else, yeah, like this. Okay, baseline 34. I don't use this. All right, so the balance level is 50. Upper 70, lower is 30. I put it as red. Okay. And yeah, price is continuing, man, doing what we want. So yeah, any questions, man? Any questions? What's your average win rate in RR? Bro, I like to keep it at least 1 to 3 minimum, but if I get 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 10, I'll do it. I'll take it all day. My win rate, I don't care about win rate, bro, because I do lose, man. There are times where I do lose. Why? It's not because I'm wrong that time. It's either I get in early. Sometimes I might get in early, or sometimes I might get in late and end up getting stopped out. But I manage my risk, right? But now I'm just focused on timing, man. Getting that criteria on point. And I've noticed myself winning more that way. What time frame do you use TDI on? I use TDI on the H4. Okay. H4 and below. All right, so what's the guy's name? The guy in the chat. Fred. Look, TP's up here. My final TP. If I'm gonna swing this shit, it's up here. Herb, yeah. So Herb, TDI, H4. Okay. As you can see, H4 gave us that nice continuation divergence right there. See that? How our side broke, but then look, man, I'll teach you everything on my mentorship. So if you want to take it to the next level, make sure you sign up, man, on my Patreon. And you will, I promise you, man, you'll go crazy. You know, H1, then M15 and lower. So everything below H4. How many props accounts do you trade? I trade about 3 main accounts, right? Yeah. Where's the podcast? Curious to learn more about you, bro. My podcast is my mentorship, bro. My students know this. we go off, you know. We go off. Like we discuss everything. Any question. We even talk about spiritual things, man, because it's major. Yeah, so the one-on-one mentorship is where you can learn more about me, man. That's where I'm really direct with my students. They know my background. I know about them. That's where we build the relationships. Yeah, so Mark got 3 main accounts, 2 prop accounts, 1 personal. And then I'm actually doing one with Trading Nut, as you guys can see in the description. Trevor, yeah, so that's for you. Market Maker, great brother. Even with 40% win rate, 1 to 2 R over series of trades, we will still be profitable. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Man, I love it. I love it. You see how I didn't even need these candles with the RSI? I mean the TDI, and look, easy call. Eating. But I like to keep it as clean as possible, man. But yeah, this was the breaker structure. So price crossed below. Okay. Price broke structure. Price swept. Price broke structure. One test, two test, third test, we're in. And then we got the fourth test, which we actually took, right? You see? So all right. Any comments, concerns, questions about the mentorship stuff? I know if you go to my Patreon, there's only like 2 guys that joined through the Patreon, but I just use it as a way for payment. The other way is PayPal and Telegram, right? Yeah, man. I'm just letting you guys in on the sauce, man. I want everybody to be profitable this time around, bro. You know, I feel like 2023 is the year for most guys, right? Like a lot of my friends, even they started seeing some progress, you know, with just being focused. Do you trade ES or just NAS? What's ES? Oh, ES futures? Nah, bro, I don't trade futures, bro. Just I trade Forex indices. Okay. So, anyways, what's next for y'all? What are we seeing? I'm so impressed with GU, man. I'm just so impressed with GU. Like it literally made my day, bro. This is the cleanest structure I've seen in a long time. Like it doesn't get easier than this, boy. Hey, look at this. Just pure bliss. It's beauty. It's beauty. You know what I'm saying? Like it's beautiful. No? I love it. It's just too clean, man. It's too clean. All right. So if we join mentorship, do we have material we can study to fast track after hours? Our South African rand is so weak that USD is expensive. I need bang for my buck over a short period. Bro, literally give me 1 month of mentorship with you and I promise you'll be profitable. As long as you follow my instructions, like I'm gonna be giving you all the material in my live session. So it's literally like university class. It's structured that way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, you just gotta put in the work. You can ask my mentee Bowser, you know, I'll actually link you with him. In his first session we did together, he's already understanding the market. I think he made a comment lower. Where did he say it? He said he took a trade and it was profitable. He took a trade with me, man. Like I didn't even have to tell him where and when. Do you trade XPX 500 cash? Yeah. I love sizing up on that too. Like, I really like sizing up on XPX 500. Like, you can use some crazy size on it. Like 100 lots, easy. You know? Yeah. So Mark, my recommendation to you is once you join, be patient with the material, take your time to soak it in, and then go live. Just use it. Use the knowledge. What am I expecting on GU, bro? Let's say. Take out these highs. I expect price to go 126,750 next. All right. And then possibly further as well. Next few months. Okay. In fact, I'm gonna mark that. So okay. Hey there, it's just joined. Could you explain what indicator you use in the subchart? Yeah, TDI. TDI. Yeah. So basically, you're gonna go indicators, TDI. There you go, BTMM, TDI. This is the indicator, okay? And then my settings are 14 on the RSI. All right here, which is the green. Cool. Trading to me, I feel like it's the only skill you can learn to bless others and change lives because you can teach them the skill too. Yes, sir. That's what I've been doing, man, and I'm so grateful for that. You know, just to be able to change somebody's life. I've already done it, and that was the time in my life where my whole perspective changed. You know, it literally just changed my whole perspective on life. I'm saying so. UJ, UJ, what's up? What about UJ? My perspective on UJ? Okay. Easy, easy, easy. Rally, big pump. Look, price broke structure, reflected both on TDI and the high, high. Okay. Tracements. Shit. Retracement. Continue. Okay. And how do I know it's going to continue? When price starts breaking these lows. Price broke structure, did the same shit. Indicate, retrace, continue. Right? Price broke structure, trace, continue. That's that, bro. Also, another question earlier, Nas, you were expecting a parabolic move. I'm wondering why you expected this move to be strong versus any other day. I understand why cross is good time, not offer to that. You want to know why? TDI told me. TDI told me. New York session, bro. I know usually that, man, I can't. Fred, bro, if you want to know answer to all these questions, bro, I teach everything in the mentorship. You know, I feel like I'm giving a lot of free knowledge here, and I wouldn't be fair to those that are, they're paying and being dedicated to my group. So I'll just tell you the timing, the TDI told me, and also my experience. I explained some of it before, but I just want to be fair to those that are actually, dedicating and paying for the mentorship. So, yeah, I've already told you like an hour back, so I hope you understand. All right. So look at this. You see how price did this? Why do you think it's doing this? Just reactions. And one key point I want to make here is the wick. Okay. When you see wick, you could possibly take that out later. Right? These are all discounts. They're literally opportunities to buy. UJ. And you see how that just happened? Price flipped. Why don't you scale in? I'll be honest, bro. I've already risked a good amount on the first entry. I've risked my 1% already, so I don't want to risk more, man. Especially when price hasn't moved that significantly up. So why don't you move your stop loss up and protect some profits and scale in? Because if it goes against me, I'm losing. I wouldn't be at break even, right? Because I only want to lose zero, right? If it goes against me. Because if I get a later entry, they're gonna take both out. That's the case, right? But it's a good idea. I definitely see where you're coming from. I'm confident in the trade, so right, we had the range, kind of retrace, but I definitely see where you're coming from, bro. Man, you ask a lot of questions, bro. Proud of you, man. Even the mentees be asking less questions. Look, bro, it's about my risk appetite. Look, I took a good amount, and the dollar amount doesn't really matter to me, but I just focus on the risk to reward. You know what I'm saying? I know these sequences happen all the time, so I'm not greedy. Scaling in is fine, but you know where I would love to scale in? This is the only time I would like to scale in on setups like that. If I got in here, then I would scale in here because I know they're not coming back. But taking a position up here, I could take the continuation buy, but stop would be tight right there, bro. I feel you though. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Something like that, perhaps. You know. Yeah. I'm just surprised US 30 hasn't exploded so much. You know what I'm saying? This usually explodes. But yeah, this is actually a good idea to that's a good chance to get in actually. Might do that right now. Once the candle closes. Oh, wait. All right, guys. So 4 minutes left before I end the stream, man. You guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, just get it in before I end the stream, bro. Yeah, man. I'm just here I want everyone to succeed, bro. It's straight up as that. You know what I'm saying? I've been in a position in my life where it's like, yo, you need the guidance, and then when you really take that journey, it's like, wow, you know. So let's hear. Ever used tick charts? Nah, man. What is that? A tick chart? I actually have to see what that is, man. No, I'm not entering now, bro. I'm already in NASDAQ. But if you want to scale in, real talk though, it'd be crazy. It'd be good profit. Tick charts. Let me see. Tick charts. Trading view. Oh, sheesh. They're ugly. Let me see. Let me see what you're talking about. Tick chart. Bar chart? I think you're talking about bar chart. The second best chart to me is Heikin-Ashi. It's actually a really good chart. Because it shows you, man, the trends are clear. When they're black, look at that. They just stay going. Anyways, man, time is up now. I'm gonna head out to enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you had an amazing. Okay. All right. Cool. All right, guys. So, hope you guys had an amazing day. And this session was definitely a success. We're on the way to our take profit. We hit TP1 right now. So, congratulations on anybody who made profit there. Definitely just ride it out until the previous high. If you're not so confident, just take some profits. But yeah, man, thank you guys for joining, and everybody who inquired for the mentorship, for the services, they're all in the description. Gonna be doing more streams, right? See you guys next week. Somebody just joined, but hey, man, you joined late, bro. I started 3 hours ago, but yeah. Hope you guys have an amazing day, man. Peace out, man.